20 extraordinary DIY shoe racks ideas that will keep disorder at bay. Women love them, men love them, everyone loves them. They are such simple items, yet they can completely change the way we look. So we hoard them like dragons hoard gold, making shoe racks a necessary part of our homes, to ensure our shoes remain in tip-top condition. And it turns out, shoe racks are also a chance to exercise your creativity and crafting abilities. Flex those talented muscles and get ready to put your hands to work with these incredible DIY shoe rack ideas that will keep disorder at bay. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Add function and style to your closet with this shoe rack. When it comes to shoe racks, the most basic and quintessential design is that of a shelf. It's functional, beautiful, and perfect for the task. This tutorial instructs you on how to make this classic shoe rack from scratch, a shelf that is so perfect, you can even use it for many other purposes. 2. Make a charming rustic shoe bin out of fencing wood planks. Got any spare fencing wood planks? If so, consider repurposing them into making a bright, delightfully charming shoe bin. It's bright, colorful, practical, and keeps the mess of shoes out of the way, particularly if you have children. 3. Go for a chic and minimalistic entryway shoe organizer. If you are the type that goes barefoot right after walking through the front door, this one is for you. This entryway shoe organizer is simple, minimalistic, and incredibly functional. Since it stands by the wall, it's completely unobtrusive, and it costs less than $20. If it sounds like a deal, it's because it is. 4. Go for a slick black look with this wood shoe organizer. While this is designed as a garage shoe organizer, the beautiful structure and professional finish makes it ideal for any part of the house. The tutorial is extensive and requires some tricky work, but the result is worth it. The result is nothing short of exceptional, and it provides plenty of room for many pairs of shoes at once. 5. Crown molding makes an amazing shoe rack. I bet you never thought of it, but crown molding is actually efficient as a shoe rack. Not only does it look fabulous, but it also provides the needed leverage for you to hang your heels from the wall. You can select the moldings you'd prefer, paint them if so you desire, and set them inside your closet's walls, or anywhere you'd like. This tutorial allows for extensive customization, so get creative. 6. Go industrial with an iron pipe shoe rack. If you own a lot of shoes, and I mean, a lot of shoes, you can always pick the industrial style, and make your house look like the best boutique in town. The iron pipe and wood combination makes it look slick and professional but still allows for plenty of creativity regarding the look you want it to have. 7. Organize your shoes with wooden crates. By now, I'm sure you must know that wooden crates are virtually everywhere in every craft blog. And it's not surprising, considering the multiple uses they seem to have. It turns out, they also make wonderful shoe racks. Pick a few, organize them in a geometrically pleasing way, add a splash of color here and there, and that's it. You have a fantastic shoe rack with virtually no effort. 8. A shoe rack with faux leather and pipes. Not every shoe rack has to ooze femininity and delicacy. This Instructables tutorial teaches the step-by-step on how to make a shoe rack out of faux leather and pipes, a hardened look that matches tougher aesthetics. Not only it is slick and beautiful to look at, but it's also incredibly easy to design and create. 9. Ladder and pine would make an incredible shoe rack. Ladders. So multifunctional and so easy to customize. Not only do they make fantastic shelves, but they are also great shoe racks. A pair and a spare instructs how to bring a new life to your forgotten wooden ladder with the help of some pine wood. 10. A floating copper shoe rack might be the solution. Alright, the ladder shoe shelf is impressive, but let's be real, it takes so much space. If you want something a bit more discreet and practical, this floating copper shoe rack might be just what you need. Elegant and inconspicuous, this design is simple to make, takes little to no space, and adds a touch of sophistication. 11. Design a geometrical shoe rack with cardboard. What is better than cheap? Free, of course. Believe it or not, you can make eye-catching and durable shoe racks out of leftover cardboard. Both the environment and your finances will thank you. The triangular shape of this design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also makes the smartest, most effective use of the available space. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.